Your name?
And Monica Tissera.
By the way, Monica, what do you do for a living?
I work as a banker.
Are you the manager?
No, I'm only an officer, a consumer sales officer.
By the way, how old are you?
I'm 42.
What makes you come to this EQSMP seminar?
It's because I have a lot of health problems, and all my life I've always been very tired. Even though I take medication and whatnot, even I've gone to Pharmaton pills, you name it, whatever pills I've already tried. So it never helps. Actually, it only helped me maybe one day, and the next day I'm back again to very tired. Until my husband always complain, what is this? Every day you're so tired. No, every day you're so tired, until at the end of the day, actually I don't do anything much in the house. When I come back from work, I'm very tired.
Okay, can you describe, have you seen other doctors since, acupuncture, whatever?
Yeah, I've seen doctors. I've seen many doctors who always recommend me a lot of vitamin tablets plus boosters and whatnot, but it doesn't give me any effect. My husband have even bought for me Chinese medicine, boiled also, but no effect.
By the way, you come today, you have been here 1, 2, 3. After 3 days of healing, how do you feel today?
I feel very fantastic, and I'm so happy because even after last night, I did not sleep. Actually, I practically did not sleep the whole night. My husband was having gastric pain and keep on going to toilet and whatnot. So I did not sleep. But eventually, when I woke up at 7:30, I'm still full of energy. Even after 4 days of not proper rest, if in a normal condition, I think I wouldn't come already, because I have been to other banks. Seminars whereby we have to get up and go up and do exercise early in the morning. By the time I go for the program, I'm already dead dark tired already. But this, I'm full of energy still. Until now, I can still stand here I don't need to sit actually. I'm very full of energy.
By the way, Monica, when you first came, I noticed your eyes was very black. You look almost half dead. Today you have so much energy. I can see it all into your face, and your eyes have lessened in blackness. Is that true?
Yes, that is very true. My eyes actually very black. That until actually I'm quite shy, so when I go to work, I will always put some makeup to make sure that people don't see it. You see, but when I came here, I didn't use anything. So now I'm very happy. Actually, it's already going off, but I know that for sure if I practice this, I know by a few months I will have no more black rings around my eyes.
By the way, I heard that you were sharing that during the healing session, you have some extraordinary sharing to do. Can you elaborate?
Yes, sure. Actually, the second day when I came here, when I did the charging time, I found when I closed my eyes, I could see rays like colorful lights, but I didn't know what was it. So I just kept quiet. Then eventually the lights became brighter and brighter, and then one particular instance there was this very beautiful red light that just merged inside, and then eventually from red it turns to orangey, and then it turns to purple. And when Master opened the head one, that's when I experienced looking at a blue light, a very luminous dark blue light. I don't know what to say, whether it's dark blue or what is, but it's a very nice blue. And
is it like crystal blue?
Yeah, it's like crystal blue. And then it's in a shape like it's like hexagon shape, like that, something like that, like six-sided or something like that. It's a very nice light. And then during the healing session, that was on the third day when I fell. When Master clapped his hand to say realign and get up, then I felt this, with my eyes closed, I felt this, I could see a very bright light, and then there's this warm feeling from my top of the head. It came straight down through my whole body and just left my legs, but it was very warm and a very nice kind of warmness, which I've never felt before in my life.
Do you feel that this is extraordinary healing?
Yes, this is extraordinary healing.
Are you glad you come for this healing?
I'm very glad I've come for this healing, and I would definitely recommend it to all especially my husband and my son.
By the way, did we use any medication and drugs and so forth?
No, there is no medication, there is no drugs.
Did I even touch you at all?
No, Master did not even touch me at all.
We do at remote control, isn't it?
Yes.
Before you came, when you heard about this, were you at that time a little bit skeptical?
I was a little bit skeptical, but I put my faith when I came here. The first day I said I better put my faith, since I've already come here. I better have some faith, because nobody out there is going to help me. Let me try this.
Are you glad that you come?
I'm very glad that I've came.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.